The brake pads are fitted into the pad holders and secured with the pre-fitted screws. For carbon rims, adjust the brake pads so that they are 2 mm lower from the edge of the rim. For alloy rims, adjust the brake pads so that they are as low as possible and away from the edge of the rim. Afterwards, the brake pads are held against the rim with the brakes on lightly and precisely aligned to be just below the outer edge of the rim and parallel with it. The brakes are centralized and adjusted for clearance as necessary. The final stage is the insertion of the thin spacers, less than 1 mm thick, to create a very small toe-in so that the leading end of the brake pad contacts first and the remainder contacts progressively. If this is not done properly, the brakes may squeal loudly and are less efficient. The brakes are then held tightly to the rim and the multi-directional adjuster in the housing is released and then retightened after the brake pads have self-aligned. The thin spacers are removed and the bike is ready for the next ride.